Hi everyone. We have a list of transactions and the customer name and the sales amount. We need to find the sales for the last three transactions, which in this case would be 525. Now, obviously, I cannot select these three cells because tomorrow, if another value gets added, how will the formula change? So, the first step is that we have to find the last three transactions, which is 194, 198, and 133. To do this, we use an offset. We can start at any cell that we want. I will start at the top left corner of the table, which is B3. Now from B3, I need to come to C23. That means we need to come 20 rows down. And how do we know that there are 20 rows? Because I can count all, or in fact, just a count of column C, which will give us 20. If we do not do anything and stop at this point, it doesn't work. So we have to give something in column. So let me give the column as 0. As you can see, it is coming from B3 all the way up till B23. But since we want to go to C23, we can change the column to 1. And this will tell us that 133 is the last value. But will it work when I add more numbers? Let's add 100 and 150. As you can see, working perfectly. Since we need the last three values, we can also put the height as -3. And this will tell us the last three values are 194, 198, 133. Just so that you can see everything is working properly. Right now the last three values are 190, 147, 132. If I add a few more names, the last three changes, everything is working perfectly. You can also make the number dynamic. So if you want to find the run rate for, let's say, the last 5 months, you can make it -1 multiplied by this control cell, which is G5. If I write 1 here, it tells us the most recent transaction. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 will automatically give me that specific number of sales values which I want. If you want to find the sum, simply write a sum. And now it tells me that the sum of sales for the last 3 months is 525. If I want to do an average, which would be more relevant here, the average for the last 3 months is 175. If I look at the last 6 months, it is 161, which means that I have improved my average in the last 3 months.